Why Ifá ceremonies begin and end with Olokun. In the earliest days of creation, the divine Orisha Olokun, ruler of the deep oceans, stood as the most cherished wife of Orunmila, the Orisha of wisdom and divination. Renowned for her breathtaking beauty, unmatched strength, and infinite wealth, Olokun was revered by all. Her domain, the uncharted depths of the ocean, held treasures and mysteries that no other being could comprehend or access. As a beacon of generosity and abundance, Olokun welcomed the Awoses, the priests of Ifá, into her home with open arms. She provided them with food, shelter, and the honor befitting seekers of divine wisdom. Her home became a sanctuary where weary souls found solace, and her kindness cemented her as a revered figure in the world of Orishas and humans alike. The rise of gossip and betrayal. However, Olokun's boundless generosity became a source of envy and misunderstanding. Some Awoses, blinded by their greed and personal ambitions, began to whisper among themselves. They spread unfounded rumors, accusing Olokun of ulterior motives. She desires to dominate Ifá itself, they claimed. She wishes to control the divine wisdom and power of Orunmila. The rumors grew, traveling far and wide, until they reached the ears of Olofin, the supreme being. Though there was no truth to the accusations, the weight of these words crushed Olokun's heart. The very people she had nurtured and protected had turned against her. Feeling betrayed and misunderstood, Olokun made a solemn decision to withdraw from the surface world. Olokun's departure. One quiet evening, Olokun approached her husband, Orunmila, her voice heavy with sorrow. "I can no longer remain in a world where my loyalty and kindness are met with betrayal. I will return to the depths of the ocean, my true home. There, among the mysteries of my waters, I will find peace." Hearing her words, Orunmila was overcome with sadness. He knew her heart and the purity of her intentions. Though he wished to keep her by his side, he could not deny her the freedom to retreat from the pain. "If that is your choice, my beloved, I will respect it," he said. "But know this, your presence will never truly leave us. From this day forward, every Ifá ceremony will begin and end by honoring you, Olokun, as a symbol of peace, balance, and prosperity. Your name will forever be invoked, and your blessings will remain central to our traditions." The ritual to honor Olokun. Thus, a sacred ritual was established to honor Olokun in every Ifá ceremony, invocation to Olokun. At the start of each ceremony, the priests call upon Olokun, offering prayers for her blessings of peace, stability, and abundance. Olokun, Madre del Mar Profundo, concédenos tu paz y equilibrio. Llénanos de sabiduría y abundancia. Translation. Olokun, Mother of the Deep Sea, grant us your peace and balance. Fill us with wisdom and abundance. Offerings to Olokun. 3 white doves, symbolizing her purity and divine power, are sacrificed in her honor. Sacred herbs blessed by Ozane, the Orisha of herbal medicine, are used to cleanse and sanctify the space. Cleansing with water. A bowl of fresh water, representing the ocean's depths, is placed at the center of the ceremonial space. It symbolizes Olokun's presence and serves as a reminder of her purifying and balancing nature. Conclusion of the ceremony. At the end of the ritual, the priests offer prayers of gratitude to Olokun, ensuring her blessings remain. Gracias, Olokun, por tu protección y sabiduría. Que tu equilibrio sea nuestra guía. Translation. Thank you, Olokun, for your protection and wisdom. May your balance guide us. Themes and reflections. The consequences of betrayal. The story of Olokun reminds us of the pain that arises when kindness is repaid with distrust. Her departure serves as a warning to honor and respect those who give selflessly. Olokun as a symbol of balance. By honoring Olokun at the beginning and end of ceremonies, practitioners recognize the importance of harmony and stability in spiritual practice and life. Water as a sacred element. Representing purification and renewal, water remains central to Olokun's legacy. It is a reminder that even in sorrow, there is strength and the possibility of cleansing. The mysteries of the deep. Olokun's retreat to the ocean depths reflects the divine mysteries that are not always meant to be fully understood. Her presence remains felt, even when unseen. And so, every Ifá ceremony continues to uphold this sacred tradition, ensuring that the spirit of Olokun is honored. Her story serves as a timeless reminder of peace, balance, and the enduring power of divine kindness.